A lady has recounted how she got kidnapped while she was returning home from work. The lady, whose name wasn't disclosed, revealed that the incident happened in Rivers State.
Good evening, my people. I want to explain wetin happened to me on my way from work to my house. I take tinted keke mini bus that is going to St. John's, Iwofe Road. As I enter, I'm not the only one there. No be me be the only person. As we gather enter the bus bar, na per knife with gun, now we see. They say everybody silent, if not they will kill you. The next thing they open one cooler, human being pass, breast, everything dey inside with ice block. They say if we talk, then go kill us. We reach police checking point. Police people know they even they check motor, waiting they happen. Their own na to take ransom. They go 100 naira. We no fit shout, we no fit do anything because we dey for death point. We endure till before we find ourselves. Now inside a local government, inside forest, where they sell human pass. People they come there, they drive motor, they come buy human pass, put for fufla schooler, carry go their house. They say 2023 election they come, now waiting then talk. When I hear things they happen, people they die every day. People they die every day for Nigeria. People they miss every day for Nigeria. See what thing they do to me. See what thing they do to me. Then carry me on Sunday, which is on the 23rd of May. They released me around 8. After they said my people should pay some. After they said my people should pay some ransom. They touched my breast. They say you don't born. Go this side. Say you know day of no use. Say then they find people who never born. Then they slaughter them. People when they kill like 7 people for my present with my koro eye. Now so they cry. I say, God, my pikin, God, what thing I want tell people? My people don't know where are they. The next thing, they take my naked photo. They send them to my people. They say my people should pay ransom of 3 million naira. We no get the money. Now so we beg. Now so friends from different angle come they help. They provide. Now so they take gather. The little one where they gather. Beg them with God. I beg them, cry. People they die. Even one lady where they sick asthma. She down on top of my leg. Then throw her inside the pit bar. Then they put people, cut people. People they select how much with this part, then they buy, they go. Mona do something. Nigerians, I beg, we they die for Rivers State. Then they keep people for Rivers State, mini bus, tinted bus. Where they go, those keke tinted bus, where they go, all of them, they are risky. Please, Facebook friends. I saw somebody where come meet me for there. She said she find person from Lagos, come that place. I said, what you can do for that place? You know, see man for Lagos, you find man who come here. Yeah. Yesterday, then kill the lady, slaughter her, sell her pass. She never born one pikin. Things they happen for Rivers State. Young girls, young boys, small children, and they carry. People they miss for inside the country where we dey, but we don't know. You go see your fellow neighbor, you never see him 1 week, you don't know where in dey. You don't know whether they don't kidnap him. Kidnappers. Then they say human being pass. People they come there, come by. My people, more na fight against this thing. Human slaughter. I beg. The place where they carry me go, the only thing I remember, them blindfold me. After my people don't cooperate with them, finish them, blindfold me, carry me, come out. The only thing I can remember when I raise my eye, now Catholic Church of Nigeria, now see, for a local government. Now so, are they there? Are they there? Police call. Say people come to pay ransom, then carry police people from Rivers State, they come. Say make them shift us, go inside another camp, inside the forest. Say then they come. Now waiting police people, they bargain with those people. The chief, everybody of that local government, they know what is going on there. Please, you people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they take they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die for my. These people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they say they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die for my presence. Look at my body. Mona, see my body. See what human being they do. See all my body. I no feel naked. Mona, see my body. They post my naked picture. Snap me with a lady. Even that lady self now, she don't die. She dey sick asthma. 6,000 naira now I beg them. Say make them go buy this thing for her. They say no. Make her brother send money. Even her brother they blind. She get 5 children. The brother say his wife don't leave him. Say now only that his sister they take care of her. Make them leave him for her. In they blind. I beg. They no fit buy inhaler for her. 6,000. The lady there die on top of my lap. Give up. Stretch for there. I don't know wetin I for do. More na help. Nigeria we dey die. Then they kill people every day. Human slaughter. Inside Rivers State things dey happen. Children they disappear. See, I take drip to help myself. I won't go there. I say I dey hospital since. I just say ma take drip finish make I go house. So I just want make this video viral. Make people see am. Make them walk towards it. A local government. Make them go there. Make them go see wetin dey happen inside their forest. If na jet then go carry go there, make them carry go. People they die every day. The only wetin I want tell una my people. Una thank you.